mince pie. Is it a sweet dish or a savory dish?
It's supposed to be sweet and savory.
Sweet and savory.
Isn't that right, Jay? Sweet and savory?
Absolutely.
The thing that I know about it is that it started out with really bad meat, and they added fruits to it, so you couldn't really taste it. As time went on, they took the meat out of it. It was just basically like a dried fruit pie. And so I'm gonna do a little of both. I'm gonna start with some ground beef, and then I'm gonna cook some dried fruits, currants, cranberries, and cherries. I'm gonna put some red chilies in it. So we have sweet, fruity, spicy, and then some bourbon. I just think that fruits and bourbon and holidays go really nicely together.
So, Bobby, obviously you never made no mince pie before, huh?
No, who has?
Jay, 2,000 times.
I'm starting with the dough for the pie with some buttermilk, flour, sugar, salt, and big chunks of butter in there so it's nice and flaky.
So I see you rolling yours really thin, huh?
So I'm gonna put the minced meat in the middle, and then I'm gonna fold it over, put them in the oven. I take some of the mince and the fruit in the middle, and I just start wrapping kind of like pleats all the way around. Most pastry chefs who are really good at this will just kind of go like this. I literally am walking around the tart. It's ridiculous.
Wait, what's going on here?
Uh-oh. Bobby's pulled out the dried
that-
peppers.
It's caramel, ginger, and red chilies.
What?
I don't have any idea what I'm doing. So ginger caramel, and then I put some red chilies in it. Some guajillo chilies from Mexico, so that it infuses the flavor.
It's interesting that Bobby chose to go with the caramel sauce because that just takes this sweet pie down a much sweeter path. 2.5 minutes.
I heard Eddie said something about bacon. I was like, bacon? Oh yeah, bacon and fruits, gonna make it savory and also taste great. Bacon going in the fryer.
Coming up on 1 minute.
The pies aren't baked enough. That's it. They're just not. I put one under the salamander. It gets nice and brown, but that's not really baking the dough. It's just like browning the dough.
Uh-oh, Bobby's desperately trying to cook his last pie in the broiler. What is Bobby doing? 30 seconds, Bobby.
So I have the pies down, then I put some caramel over it.
9,
I put some mustard greens, toasted pecans, and bacon on top.
1. I think we may have this.
That's how you sauce the plate. Good job.
Thanks, Al. That's a beautiful job.
I think it looks really pretty for a picture. No idea what it tastes like.